Hi friends, welcome to Create Fun channel. Yeah, today we'll see it is a poem actually. I'm referring to same textbook that is Surabhi Hindi textbook class 3. The poem is Tum jaisa banna chao means what? The way you like to become. Here itself it is there. See here the way you like to become. Tum jaisa banna chao. Okay, here few words are there. See here Sugandh, Kadve, Sang, Dhul, Misri, Rangna. These are the words. They told पढ़िए और समझिए. Read and understand. Okay. We'll see the poem. लोगे तुम अगर फूल से लोगे तुम अगर फूल से तो सुगंध फैला होगे केलोगे तुम अगर धूल से केलोगे तुम अगर धूल से तो गंदे बन जाओगे What does it mean? केलोगे तुम अगर फूल से. If you play with flower, it will spread the fragrance. तो सुगंध फैला होगा. Flower will spread fragrance, right? If you play with flower, fragrance will be spread. Like it will. What it is telling? If you play with flower, it will spread the fragrance like that. खेलोगे तुम अगर धूल से तो गंदे बन जाओगे. If you play with dust, you will become dirt. तो गंदे बन जाओगे. You will become dirt. That is the first 4 lines. Next. कौहे का यदि साथ करोगे तो बोलोगे कड़वे बोल. कौहे का यदि साथ करोगे तो बोलोगे कड़वे बोल. कोयल का यदि साथ करोगे तो तुम दोगे मिश्री गोल. If you are with Kauhe means crow. If you do friendship with crow, you will tell bitter words. If you do friendship with koel, that is cuckoo, you will tell sweet words. That is they are telling like Edi Sath. If you do stay or if you do friendship with that crow, you will tell bitter words. If you do friendship with koel, koel means cuckoo, you will tell sweet words. That is the meaning. जैसा भी रंग रंगना चाहो गोलो तुम वैसा ही रंग. जैसा भी रंग रंगना चाहो गोलो तुम वैसा ही रंग. अगर बड़ा तुम बनना चाहो तो तुम रहो बड़ों के संग. अगर बड़ा तुम बनना चाहो तो तुम रहो बड़ों के संग. This one. What they are telling? If you want to जैसा भी रंग रंगना चाहो, if you want to paint the color, whichever you want, you mix that and you paint it like that. गोलो तुम वैसा ही रंग. Whichever you want, you mix that and you paint. If you want to become great or if you want to become big like that, then stay with the good people, stay with the great people. अगर बड़ा तुम बनना चाहो, if you want to become great or big or good, तो तुम रहो बड़ों के साथ. You should stay with good people, then you will become good. The main lesson from this poem is like, see with whom we are staying, with whom we are there, that is important. To speak good words, we should stay with good people and to cultivate good habits. So we should stay with good people, great people, so that we will also become great. That is the lesson from this poem. Nice, na? Nice. So now we will move to exercise part. See here few words they have given. We'll go to the, we'll see the meanings of this. We'll see the words one by one. First one is Sugandh. sugandh, and we can tell kushbu also. Fragrance or good smell, we can tell. Gande, or my, we have one more word like similar word, mile. It is dirty. When you play with dirt, you will become dirty, right? That is that. Dhool. Dhool means mitti or dust. Kauha means kak or crow. Kadva or kadva, similar word is katu or bitter. Misri or mitas or sweetness. These are the words they have given, and we'll move to exercise. See here, for exercise I have prepared PPT. We'll move to that. See. Uh, okay. This is the first question from the poem. अगर हम धूल से खेलेंगे तो क्या होगा? What will happen when we play with dust? We'll become dirty, right? That is the answer. अगर हम धूल से खेलेंगे तो हम गंदे हो जाएंगे. That is the answer. Once again I'll repeat. See here. अगर हम धूल से खेलेंगे तो क्या होगा? When you play with the dust, what will happen? Dhool means dust. Agar means when. Agar हम, if, sorry, agar means if. अगर हम धूल से खेलेंगे तो हम गंदे हो जाएंगे. If we play with the dust, we'll become dirty. That is the answer. We'll move to second question. कोयल की बोली कैसी होती है? कोयल की बोली कैसी होती है? Like the voice or cuckoo ka voice, how it will be? It will be sweet and madhur, right? कोयल की voice, yeah. कोयल की बोली मीठी और मधुर होती है. कोयल की बोली मीठी और मधुर. The voice of the cuckoo or koel, it will be sweet or madhu hoti hai. Next. First year, just only 2 questions are there. Next they continued like this. Answer the following questions. These 2 they told like think and tell. That 2 are done. Now we'll continue with these questions. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah, we'll continue. फूल हमें क्या देते हैं? Fool means flower. What will the flower give? Flower will give fragrance, right? Here fragrance, what we learned? Sugandh. So, फूल हमें सुगंध देते हैं. That is the answer. Means flower will give fragrance. I'll repeat again. फूल हमें क्या देते हैं? What will the flower give? Flower will give fragrance. That is फूल हमें सुगंध देते हैं. Next we'll move to second question. कौए के साथ रहने से हमारे बोल कैसे हो जाएंगे? Once again I'll read the question again. कौए के साथ रहने से हमारे बोल कैसे हो जाएंगे? Kauhe means crow. When we stay with crow, how we will speak or what we will tell? Like what will happen when we stay with crow? Which words we'll use like that? कौहे के साथ रहने से हमारे बोल कड़वे हो जाएंगे. कड़वे means bitter. Like it won't be good. The voice of the crow, it won't be good, na? Like that. You stay with crow, we'll use bitter words. कौहे के साथ रहने से हमारे बोल कड़वे हो जाएंगे. That is the second one. Next we'll move to third. बड़ा बनने के लिए हमें किन लोगों के साथ रहना चाहिए? To become great or to become big, to whom we should stay? Which type of people we should stay? That is the question. बड़ा बनने के लिए हमें अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहना चाहिए. To become good or to become great, we should stay with good people. अच्छे means good. बड़ा बनने के लिए हमें अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहना चाहिए. To become great, we should stay with, or we should interact with good people. That is the answer. Hope so this is clear. Yeah. Okay, next we'll move. What is there in the exercise? These are the questions. It is done. Next, see, दिए गए शब्दों से वाक्य बनाइए. Make sentences with the given words. What are the words? दिए गए शब्दों से वाक्य बनाइए. First word is Sugandh. You can use from the text or we can write your own sentences. फूल हमें सुगंध देते हैं. What does it mean? Flower will give fragrance. This sentence I have taken from the poem itself. Flower will give fragrance or good smell. Okay. Next one, मिश्री. मिश्री जैसा मीठा रस है. मिश्री जैसा मीठा रस है. What does it mean? Juice is sweet. Ras means juice. Juice is sweet like mishri. Mishri is nothing but it is type of sugar. We can tell sugar candy. It is type of sugar. Next, yeah. Rang. Rang means color. You can write any of your own sentence using color. Here just I wrote Asman ka rang neela hai. Like sky color is blue. That is the meaning. Asman means sky. The sky color. Rang means color. Neela hai. Neela means blue. Sky color is blue. बड़ा. बरगद का पेड़ भारत का सबसे बड़ा पेड़ है. बरगद मीन्स banyan tree. Banyan tree is the biggest tree in India. बड़ा पेड़ है. बरगद का पेड़ भारत का सबसे बड़ा means biggest tree in India. Banyan tree is the biggest tree in India. That is बड़ा. Next is we'll see what they gave in the. This is done. One sentences are done. Next, see here they are talking about the grammar, व्याकरण ज्ञान, knowledge of grammar. जिन शब्दों से किसी काम के होने या करने का पता चलता है उन्हें क्रिया कहते हैं. So here what they are telling, जिन शब्दों से किसी काम के होने या करने का पता चलता है उन्हें क्रिया कहते हैं. They are talking about verb here. Verb is nothing but action. Verb means like it is a kind of word, like it will show about an action or a state. Like what is going, like it will show, mainly it tells about an action, and it will show in the sentences. We'll use every sentence. Usually every sentence will have verb, and it will tells us about, it shows about past or present tense, like that. Here they have given few words. We'll see into it. दिए गए शब्दों में ना जोड़कर क्रिया शब्द बनाइए. Make doing words by adding na. Every word is there, just you add at the end. We should add na. That's all. See here, just I have wrote here, दिए गए शब्दों में ना जोड़कर क्रिया शब्द बनाइए. वो क्रिया means verb. See, first word is खेल. खेल plus na. खेलना. खेलना means to play. Then bird plus na. Badna. Badna means grow. Then file. File plus na. File na. File na means spread. Bowl plus na. Bowl na. Bowl na means to tell or to speak, to talk like that. Rang plus na. Rangna means dye. D-Y-E. Dye. Banna. Bun plus na. Banna. Banna means to become, like that. आप बड़ों के साथ रहने से अच्छे लोग, like हम बनना चाहिए, like that. To stay with good people, to become great. To become, बनना means. Gol plus na. Golna. Golna means dissolve. When we put sugar, it will dissolve in water, right? That is the gol. And rahana. रह प्लस ना. रहना. यूजुअली हम आप लोग हमारे साथ रहना चाहिए, like stay with us, like that. Usually this word will use regularly in our daily life. Rahana. These are the words they have given, and these are the words related to verb usually. That is like in sentences we'll use it. That is to show action or to show the state. Next we'll continue the exercise. What they are asking, yeah. समान तुक वाले शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. Choose and write rhyming words. They have given here the words and they are asking to write the rhyming words. Just I am writing from that. Fool, dool. Fool means flower, dool means dust. Saath, hath. These are the rhyming words. Saath means together, hath means hand. And rang, sang. Rang means color, sang means sang also it will come together only. Next, these are the words and we'll continue. Agar means if, magar means but. Agar, magar. Bol means to tell. Goal, goal means we already told na, yeah, that is dissolve. Then bada means big. Ghada means what is ghada? Ghada means water pot. Just these are the rhyming words and they are taken from the textbook. These are all there in that from poem. Most of the words all there from poem only. We'll see the next. Yeah, this is the last part of the exercise and they have given the summary in English also. From this you will understand like what they want to tell about the poem. Hope so this is clear. Um, Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great time. Thank you.